Hello everyone. Let's today check about SharePoint lookbook and some of the concept like SharePoint Provisioning Service. When we're creating our modern pages, we are finding difficulty in design, how to create the home page and how to show the data in the list. So to clear all these doubts, Microsoft created a site known as lookbook.microsoft.com with some stunning, beautiful designs where we can get some inspiration and we can create those designs. And also they have provided a facility to add all those designs into our tenants. If we are an admin for the tenant, we can easily add those uh, designs into your site. Just select a theme and add to our tenant. And also they are giving some GitHub templates. You can go to this URL GitHub template and you can download those templates and you can use in your site. And let's add one template, nice design template, into my SharePoint admin SharePoint site. Since I'm an admin, I will add this nice stunning design into my tenant. For that, just select the theme and click add to your tenant here. And we can see here it is using so much of modern web parts. And if you see here, it's asking our email, site title, what you want, site URL, site title for communication site, and just click provision. Okay, if you click provision, it will take some time to add this theme to our tenant. Okay, this tenant is added to once this design is added to our tenant, you will get an email here like this: SharePoint Provisioning Service, your request provisioning global marketing hub template is now completed. And just click open site, and you can see that design is added to my SharePoint tenant. Okay, see, so make use of this SharePoint Provisioning Service and get some inspiration and design beautiful sites for your clients. So hope this video helps you in creating some stunning designs to your SharePoint site. Thank you all. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.